you know what? Probably a good idea to take these doors off. So this is looking really good. It looks like I got most of the glue out of here, or the wood filler. This maybe a little bit, but to help me to tell if I'm doing this, sanding this whole thing evenly, now I'm gonna take a pencil and just make a light mark this whole way. And I'm gonna use 80 grit sandpaper and just basically sand the pencil off. You could also start with 60 or 36, whatever you want to, and then work your way up. I'm gonna make sure to touch up the walls afterwards, after this is all finished. That's no big deal. And then I am also going to make sure that I do the band with 120. So, make that pencil disappear. And finally, 150, and I'm not going to do the pencil mark, just in case I miss a spot. I'm trying to go as even as possible, get all the edges, and get the band. Hopefully, that's it. Okay. That's nice. Now we just gotta let the dust settle. So I've vacuumed up the majority of the dust. I had to clean the walls and stuff, and I gotta clean my entire house basically. And now I'm gonna take a tack cloth and just wipe this down to get all of the dust off of here. You wanna have a minimal, as little as possible dust when you go to finish this. And I wouldn't go any more than 150 grit. Nothing finer than that, especially if you're staining this, because it won't really take that well. So 150, and I am just gonna poly this. I'm not gonna stain it. I think this came out really good.